This is really like being silenced.
Alexa, remind me that I don't need a man and men are useless. When should I remind you? Every damn day.
What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? What about it?
Most people actually feel like there's nothing to do. They watch TV because there's nothing else to do. They watch Netflix because there's nothing else to do. They just scroll on their phone because there's nothing else to do. You have nothing to do because you do those things. Most people have got it backwards. There's not nothing to do, so you do those things. No. You do those things and now there's nothing to do.